Alright guys, so we back in the building with another video. Today's wig is from ReadyWig. So today's wig I have is their straight bob 13 by 6 lace front wig. I do have her in the inches of 16. I am showing you guys everything that came inside the packaging, but while you guys are watching that, just going over a few details of this unit. Okay, so this unit is synthetic. If you didn't know, now you know. Okay, and if you didn't know, now you know. This wig is synthetic. It does have heat friendly fiber, so you can put heat on it. Be sure to check the description section to the degrees of the heat that you can put on it. Don't mind this part, y'all. I actually dropped the wig prior to that clip, so it was looking a little shanky, but she was bomb out the box. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. So this is the construction of the unit. That was the 13 by 6 lace. It is transparent. It has 4 combs in total, 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle, one at the nape, and then there's 2 drawstrings for extra security. So this, y'all, I am super excited to put this wig on to see what she's about to give me. Okay, so this is the parting, the blunt, the beautiful middle part. I live for middle parts now. If you didn't know, I wasn't a fan of middle parts until now. So I love, not until now, but you know, until this year, because y'all know I only used to do side parts. But we're gonna throw this bad baby on, and like I said, I didn't mention it, but as you guys see, this unit is also pre-plucked. So they're getting another point in my book for being pre-plucked, because I feel like they're really living up to the title, ReadyWig, because sis, take it out the box and, you know, do your little maintenances and you ready to go, okay? So first we're going to go ahead and cut off the lace. I don't know if I have been telling you to cut off the lace. I think I do in almost every video. Y'all know most of the videos, the information is just very, very repetitive. And y'all know that because that is how you learn. You have to do something over and over and over and over and over and over again to, you know, get the hang of it. That's just like tying your shoe, riding a bike, driving a car. You have to do it repetitive so it can stick, so you can learn it, okay? Okay. A quick tip to tip my lace is that I just use foundation or pressed powder, whatever I have on me that day, and I just pounce it with my beauty blender to cover that whole lace, because it is a transparent color, but it's like not transparent where it matches your skin. It's like it had a vanilla undertone to it, so I had to, you know, make it blend more seamlessly with my skin. So with that being said, the next step I'm going to do is take my Got to Be Glue hairspray and secure this entire wig. I feel different about different wigs. Some wigs I feel like I need more extra, more security, or I want to go for that snatched suede look. And when I'm going to go for that look, like that melted look, I do go ahead and secure it with my Got to Be Glue hairspray. If you guys are OGs, like I said, you already know this method. You guys already know the dealio, so I am gonna go ahead and let you guys watch that, and I'm gonna come back once I do have this entire unit secured down. After you do lay your entire wig down, you do want to go in and lay it down. You want to put your scarf on and you want to kick back, chill, eat some snacks, do what you do, but you gotta let it sit so it can, you know, have that melting moment, okay? And after you lay your lace, if you do see any more spots or you see sections of your lace that doesn't look your scalp color, your skin tone, please just go back and put some more foundation or pressed powder or whatever you used on it, because you don't want to be out here looking ashy. Alright guys, so it's been 10-15 minutes. I let her sit and she is looking bomb. Like I said, I do have some parts where it doesn't look all the way blended, so I just take my beauty blender and, you know, bounce that foundation back on there, so we won't be out here looking all crusty and like I got dandruff all over the place, because sis, that is not the gag, period. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle the hair, and y'all, when I'm telling you I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself. I was really about to just leave it like this, but y'all already know I have to come through with the baby hairs. I don't know, it's just something about me and baby hairs. It's just something about me and baby hairs. So like I said before, if you didn't know, this unit is synthetic. I just feel like I need to say it, because some people just don't get it. Is this human? This is not, it's synthetic, okay? It's synthetic. I know it don't look like it, sis. I know it don't. But let's get into this parting though, on this lace. I'm creating the baby hairs parting into it. And sis, I feel like the wig got lost. Like, I feel like it just became my hair. Like, you cannot tell me this is a wig. Where? I'm loving how these synthetic companies are just stepping up their game. Like, they are not coming to play, and I love it. I love it, because I love about synthetic units, they already styled, you know, and it saves so much time. Like virgin hair, it is a lot of work. It's really a lot of work, but these units are already styled and you can just put your little flavor on it and go. I just love the convenience of them, period. So I am taking some Got To Be Goo hairspray and creating some baby hairs. Now I know I parted it all the way down and cut it like full lace and was going to do the full on baby hairs, but I just realized I was just wearing it straight down, so it was no need for me to do all of that. So I feel like Got To Be Good hairspray also allows my baby hairs to be a lot more softer. It gives it more like realistic look. Even though I like the glue method, it's a little bit on the hard side, like you said under a hooded dryer. Like you said under a hooded dryer, sorry. Like you said under a hooded dryer, and you know, it's just a little hard. But I still like that method. But like I said, the hairspray just gives it a little softer effect. Y'all, look how it's just laying. I just love it. I love when hair can just melt and it just doesn't look like a lace front just sitting there, you know? I love it. I love it. All right, y'all. So I did let her sit again for another 10 to 15 minutes. That is a must, okay? It's a must. You need to let your hair sit so the baby hairs can melt into your skin even more. So like I said, you can put heat on this. I think I have my flat iron on like 25 to just flatten out the hair just a little bit. You don't really need to do that, but you know, I'm extra. I just know I was lazy actually, because all you need really is just a paddle brush and brush it out, and since it's the same effect. So but if you just want to have a more, you know, a little extra look, you can take and run your flat iron through it to make it, you know, just snatch to the gods. But y'all, I love the unit, didn't have any problems with it. It was just on point. It was on time. I love it. I only got minor shedding when cutting into unit. I think I got snags about 1 or 2 times, you know, when I first put it on, you know, detangling and all that. But it is no problem at all. I really love this unit. So, you guys, don't forget to check the description section below. I do have a coupon code there. Get on this unit, y'all. Get on this unit. I love it. I love it. Let me know you guys' thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.